Okay, so another quick tip I want to mention. A lot of people are having issues with the C920 Logitech camera, having saving settings in Streamlabs, because as soon as you shut down your computer, shut down Streamlabs, restart it, whatever, the settings don't save. Solution I found for that is to download the G-Hub Logitech software, because right now they have the Logitech gaming software, and apparently eventually G-Hub, which is this one, is going to replace it, and this one actually saves the settings, so you don't have to keep on reconfiguring it every time you can log back into your stream. So we're gonna optimize this right now. I was playing around with it a little bit. So of course, never have auto on for focus and exposure or anything really. We're just gonna try to get focus as much to my face, not so much the background, because I don't really want the back. I just want his face focused in. So I think we'll leave it around that. Exposure. Ooh, okay, it's getting dark. Okay, that should be good. I think it's around 50%. Zoom. That's fine. Don't need to see that. Oh yeah, make sure when you are putting up the new settings, they do have the default video call and stream, but if you want to have the settings that save, go to new camera mode right over here, or it'll be over here, add new camera mode, which I'm on, and this is the one that will save. So yeah, you don't have to save on these either. There's no like save feature. It automatically saves even if you exit out of it. So this is all at 50, saturation, white balance. I turn that off auto. Ooh, okay. Look at that. We're looking like Hercules when he's still a god. Blue. And the rest of this is up to personal preference, really. Like depending if you want the warmer tones, kind of like this steely blue tone, which is a lot more accurate to my room. So I'll keep it around there. So that's a little bit less than what it was automatically on. Sharpness. Y'all know what sharpness is, so it's able to detect the lines in your face, shirt, everything within the camera, really. But you can't have it too high or else it kind of has this grainy effect in the background. So I recommend putting it up, but not too high. And honestly, just experimenting with that. You don't really see too much difference between low and high. I mean, yeah, like you can see like my fade a little bit more, but then it starts getting stacky, but ain't nobody care about that. So I'll just put it a little bit higher than what it was. Contrast. Oh yeah, people always say take the brightness down a little bit and then turn up the contrast. It's been looking weird for me, so I'm usually just keep it a little 50-50, a little bit lower like that. I'm just trying to get rid of the grainy little particles in the background. Goodness, looking like a Mona Lisa painting. There we go. Okay, so that seems to be doing the trick. The video mode. And let's use Flickr 60, of course. And yeah, it just saves by itself like that, so I can exit out of it. And even when I open up Streamlabs, although I was just in G-Hub, so camera's not gonna be there. Let's see if I can actually. There we go. So you ever have that issue where camera's not detected because you had the camera operating in a different application? You can just deactivate it and then activate it again and it'll pop up. And yeah, right now looking great, especially with the light. Resolution, FPS. Yeah, and these are all my preferred options for streaming with my camera resolution being at 1280 by 720. Yeah, so of course that. And also another issue I saw people having, so when camera wasn't being recognized, it was on default device, but if you change it to custom and then back to default device, it'll show up. Luckily it's detecting right now, but if you do have the issue where the camera's not showing up, even if it wasn't in a different application, just click the resolution type, go to custom, and then back to default device, or just leave it on custom. Sometimes if you put it back on default device, then it won't work. So yeah, so I keep it match output FPS, MJPEG for video format, color space 709, UV color range full, buffering, auto detect. I actually gotta see what this actually does. That might actually help my camera a little bit. Yeah, that's about it. So that's a little tips and trick to have your camera settings saved and you're not having to reconfigure every time you restart your computer. As you can see over here, yeah, like the zoom. Zoom's regular. You see the focus usually would be at 100%, but it's actually 35 over here. Exposure's not on auto. And yeah, I gotta fix this. Okay. Apply. And yeah, you see the sharpness wasn't at 128, and a lot of these are not defaulted, so it shows you that it actually saved. Okay. Yep, that about does it for that video. Again, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Also follow me on Twitch. I'll put all the links down in the description. Appreciate it, and peace.